Okay, what's going on, everybody? It's the moderator here, Jay. I'm excited to share with you what I've been working on and what we got going on this week. We got some important tags, and I can't wait to get started on them. First up, we'll be doing the digital flyers for all of our upcoming events. We got the NVPICC Bingo Night all the way down to the Las Vegas Pacific Fashion Show. We have a show in November for the Samoa division. I'm really excited about that. August 22nd, we have the Small Business Lending Workshop. These events are going to be amazing. I'm putting together flyers that not only look really, really great, but they're also going to get everybody pumped about what's coming, and of course, we'll continue to promote throughout the weeks to come. And you guys are going to love these designs. And feel free to take heed and do your own designs for whatever you're promoting yourself. Each flyer is pretty much going to be filled with all the details that you need. I'm going to make sure that they really stand out, and we please the boss. I want to make sure that nobody misses out on these fantastic opportunities. So I'm going to make sure that I put all the information I can possibly without flooding it and making it look, cluttered. People like to read, but they don't want to read too much, Next on the list, I'm going to be working on a special montage video to thank Bullethead's house for their incredible support of J&V Irie Jerk. We can't thank you enough. Their help has meant so much to us, and this video is going to be a way of showing how grateful we are, and I'm really appreciative. We are appreciative of the relationship. We'll also be including some great moments and heartfelt thanks to really capture how much everyone's support has meant. I know we're just getting started out. 33 subs. We are on our way to 1,000, and I want you to do the same. I want you to be able to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any pages that you want us to follow, we'll do the same for you as we are building our community. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's have a wonderful and blessed day, blessed week. Thank you for checking in on us today. I can't wait for you to see these flyers and this video that I'm going to do. Stay tuned, and remember, together we're making something truly special. So I want us to all be on one accord, and let's have a wonderful time growing and gaining our freedom.